My dear friends, welcome to ArtMagic. Hello, my friends. It's Christmas time, a time for celebration and holidays. Let's relish this festive season together. Firstly, it's time to find our favorite Christmas tree. Do you already have one, or should we head to the market to find a new one? Let's make our way there. But before we embark on our tree hunt, let's envision the joy of bringing back a magnificent tree in our van. And of course, we'll need plenty of lights for decoration. Pleasure in decorating, and our helpful tips will guide you through the process of adorning your Christmas tree. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring. Wish you Merry Christmas! Enjoy your time with your all friends and family. By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.